tayo, nabigla tayo. I remember I constituted right there and then yung task force. Kasi alam ko as president, hindi lang kasi hindi ko kaya, wala talaga akong alam yan. I cannot pretend to be somebody na kaya ko to, presidente ako. Hello. In order to quickly address the lack of supplies, the entire government worked together to find a way to procure all these supplies, even when all countries in the world were doing the same. The emergency procurement process needed to be resorted to get what we needed quickly because people were dying. Ganon po yon.